The Lord knew that both of us needed a new friend. She is wonderful, and I have grown with her through laughter and tears. After I met her, I recommended joining this dating website, OkCupid, since I knew that she was dating, and that site was free. I had joined it in the fall of 2009, and I really liked it mainly because of the mathematical background. It utilizes to match people, because I'm a nerd when it comes to math. Stephanie did not take me up on the idea right away, but she thought about it. When she decided to join, it took a while, but Matt finally connected with her. Now, I wasn't able to meet Matt until I attended the funeral of the late Elizabeth Callender, a childhood best friend of Stephanie's, and I know that Beth is celebrating with the angels today for this union. Matt was amazing. I was thrilled to meet him. He and Stephanie were two peas in a pod. In her time of most need, he was 100% there for her. I witnessed what a gentleman he was, and I am so happy that he chose her, and she chose him. Thank you, Stephanie, for always being such a great friend, and thank you, Matt, for pursuing her and always caring about her. She deserves the best. I read this phrase once on a pastel cross: happiness is being married to your best friend. You two have found this, and I am honored to be here as a witness to your holy matrimony. I pray you learn to appreciate and love one another more deeply as time passes. I love and congratulate you both. You two are magnificent. God bless you in the days and years of your life together. Thank you.